is day 6. I'm still here in Thailand, Chiang Mai, at the 9 Hotel, and today we're going to see us some elephants, okay? I'm not going to do one of those sanctuaries where you got to spend the entire day at the place where you got to bathe them and, you know, nah, we're not doing that. I'm going to the Elephant Cafe. They serve you coffee, you can get bananas, feed the elephants, take pictures with them, a nice simple like half a day tour, you know? So I got a guy picking me up in a little bit here. He's driving me an hour, private tour bus, or private tour van, and we're gonna go see some elephants. Let's get this awesome day started. That's it. Guys, look at this temple up here in the mountains. I don't know if you can see that far away. I'll try to zoom in. That is, oh my god, looks like something out of Disneyland up on the hill. Or a mountain, I mean, damn. It's like I really can't believe places like this exist. Elephant farm. Yeah, buddy. Elephant farm cafe. Look at this place. Wow. Alright, so $100, 100 baht, basically you put in here. And we get some, feed them bananas. Which, that's pretty rich. What's up there, buddy? Look at you, huh? Let me get over here. Let me get you over here. Let me feel what this snow feels like. Whoa. It's kind of... Oh, there. Oh, he's got like an air suction on that thing. Wait, let me try like this, huh? Oh. Oh. Oh, you almost missed it. Try it again. Oh, he loves it. Oh, the wrinkles on this thing. It's got chewing that thing, huh? It's chewing it. Whoa, not my camera. That's not food. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. This is the coolest trunk I've ever seen. This is kind of what I equivalent my ding dong to right here. Wow. Top of the head. Wow, look at these hairs. You see all these little hairs? Looking awesome. And the ears on them. They're just... This is probably the most majestic, sickest animal I have ever seen. Just chewing? Whoa. Look at that teeth. Look at that tongue. Oh yeah, let me get you some more. You're hungry too? You're hungry too? It's just got crap all over me. I could like pretty much feed these guys all day long. It's just that good. Let's get some more bananas for these guys. All right, so what we're feeding them is sugar cane and bananas. And they love them. Like, look, wow, what are you doing? You almost gotta run away. They know what's inside this thing. They know. Look at that. Come on, up here. Up here. Yeah. Where? Get in. There you go. Oh, man, the crunch on that. Crunch. Crunch. All right, ready? We're going back in. We're going back in. Oh, give me in the mouth. Give me in the... Oh, yeah. Just read something about the wrinkles of elephants, too, online. Something about that they all have, like, it's like a fingerprint kind of to us. But, you know, where can you go and just kind of hang out and feed elephants, drink some coffee in the mountains? I mean, they know. Go for it. Look at that one. Oh, you want that one? Oh, you want bananas? Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on, bananas. Wants the bananas. Here you go. Oh. I'll give you one too here. Let me get you in the mouth. Get her in the mouth. There you go. Ah, look at this little thing. You know, this thing's about the size of my wanker here. It's just like that. That's awesome. The suction. The suction on that thing. That's awesome. Here in the crunch. Give me that. Here for the crunch. Oh. Oh, man. So we're talking about. You're just pretty. Look at your little hairs. Oh man. It's just so awesome here. These things are just so awesome. Oh, they're like dinosaurs. Hi. I'm glad I got here early. They got vans and buses showing up like crazy. I'm covered in, I think, elephant shit, but look at this place. Down here, grab a drink. Almost like a overlooking vineyard. I mean, this is crazy. Yeah, where can you go, guys? See elephants, get a Thai coffee, and just hang out in this scenery like this. Yeah, bucket list stuff right here. It's a doggy. Oh, what are you doing? You get to hang out here all day. Oh, good boy, good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. All right, so you can actually stay right up there. You see it? I'll try to zoom in. You can stay in these little like dome tents right here, looking over the elephant sanctuary area. Like it's. If I wasn't here, I wouldn't even believe this place existed. It's pretty awesome. Whoa, green Buddhas. What? Look at those things. Wow. This culture is something awesome. Oh boy, guys. Okay, so make it. I don't know how spicy this is like gonna make it, but you know, I like it to have a little bit of spice. It's about to go down. Right there, that statue is called the Three Kings. They're the ones that basically built Chiang Mai here. I'm learning from this cab driver. This is awesome. We are heading to Pai right now. Most northern part I can go to, because I want to see Pai Canyon. I want to get into these like cold springs, hot springs. They got them all. Let's go. All right, so my cab guy just pulled over. His wife right here basically just brought him his bag because he's bringing me to Pai. He's gonna stay up there, so then he can bring me back the next day too. So that's kind of cool. All right, so we're on our way to Pai here, and we're going to Mok Phai Waterfall, and literally there's just landslides of mud everywhere, and we almost got hit by like 3 other cars flying down. Really, I mean, it's steep. Wow. Almost fell. Wow. Like the entire wind of it and the mist. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I'm holding 2 cameras. I just want to get close. Man, that's so sick. Gotta wipe my phone. Can't even believe that I am even here. Sick. Wow. If I brought my swimming shorts, I would have jumped in. Man. Talk about there. Alright, we're out of here. Well, came up on a mudslide. Yeah, but look at that. Oh man, traffic's limited. These things just, look at it, just slid right down. Damn. Roads are getting worse. Just came across random cows on the side of the road here, but man, these cliffs are just falling apart. Electrical lines are down. I hope I got power at the hotel when I get there. How far?
Only the market.
So we're pretty close to Myanmar. Myanmar? I don't even know how you say it. Okay, rice fields. Man, where I'm at right now is just absolutely crazy. Just sweet. Well, my cabbie just said that I should walk this bridge. This bridge has history. What's up, guys? YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
You hanging out on the bridge? Oh, watch your step right there. Yeah. We almost just fell. Good dog. You chilling with me? I got a partner. Just me and him. He's leading the way. He'll show me what to do. He's awesome. He's been showing me. So we're pretty close to Myanmar, and they have little checkpoints going this way, just to make sure people aren't getting, I guess, smuggled in or something. I don't know why there's like a fire right there. You guys can see that there. Just a fire. I don't see anybody anywhere, but I know they burn a lot of these fields. I thought that doesn't happen until February. Just me and you. Huh? Yeah, thank you very much. I love how they just give you these little Thai drinks and everything when you show up, so it's pretty awesome. Across the street from my boutique hotel is Sweet Time. See what the canvas looks like. A lot of it looks like crap, but yeah, it don't look that good. It's not grown indoors. Definitely it's outdoors. But buy 2 get 1 free. It's not too bad. As the amount of backpack travelers that are actually in this town walking around is kind of unbelievable. It's like the vibes here, most chill I've seen. And it's just these little roads and little alleyways. Everyone's just nice. And the smell of weed is in there. Another weed spot here. I know, but it's like most of it just doesn't pick up. And the guy behind the counter, look at that shirt. You can tell he loves it. I love it. It's awesome. Of course, it's her right there. Coconut pancakes.
Yeah.
I've never seen them. I don't know if I want to try one yet, but let me get a couple drinks there. We'll be back. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Got the mango sticky rice. We got all sorts of people growing up stuff. Oh, this town is amazing. Even though on the horizon of the mountains, it looks like it's going to pour rain, but I don't care. Probably going to grab a scooter because tomorrow I want to visit Pie Canyon. I want to get to the hot springs. So we know 7-Eleven for the win. 7-Eleven is always the win, right? Yeah. Okay, one says, what does that say? Banana Nutella. Look at that thing, huh? Yep, I've been waiting to try one of these things for a little while. Can we get peanut butter banana one? Yeah, this is gonna be... I watched enough videos on these guys making this that we gotta try this. How he makes this thing up. We got Skippies, super chunky. Wow.
Hello!
What is up? There's a doggy! There's a doggy! This guy's the man. He's let me put my sticker up in his shop right here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a sticker up and we have been here. This guy's the man right here, okay? Just scored some mushrooms from that guy. He had a wide variety of some mushrooms. We only got 2 grams. We're not getting crazy, but tomorrow would be good to be on Pie Canyon and grab a couple mushies and mushy out, you know? All right, we're renting a scooter. These guys right here, it's pretty great. We're out of here. I got really no idea how much 40 baht is gonna get me in fuel here. What the hell did that thing just say to me? Okay. Oh yeah. Something's happening. Something's happening. What up? We just found this place. I was almost about to run out.
Oh, you did it for 40 baht?
Yeah, I didn't put enough, I guess. I didn't know how much it was gonna get me. How much do you guys normally put in?
100. We used to do 100.
100, all right. We're doing 100.
They'll do change?
Huh?
Did they give change?
No. Oh, did they give change?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know. I thought you had to have just enough, you know?
No.
We're making it, guys. Right there. All right, we'll try this again. You guys live around here?
Yeah.
You guys got it made. I'm not gonna lie. I'm from America.
Vacation here.
Oh, you vacation here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
We don't live here. We live in Bangkok.
Bangkok?
Yeah.
This is better than I was just left Bangkok.
It's better than
It's
Bangkok.
way crazy there. Here, chill. Everybody's chill here.
Which state you are from?
Connecticut.
Which one?
Connecticut. The shittiest state in all of America.
Okay.
I'm not even lying. Like, right between New York and Boston.
Boston.
Rip. I'm 1 hour from Boston.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Well, that went better than expected. Let's put it that way. Oh yeah, full tank, boys. Yeah, buddy. Reggae pie, guys. Reggae pie. GR2 grammars. I'm at this reggae bar in the middle of high northern Thailand. They got a dispensary right there, rolling up. Little smoke lounge over here. The entire reggae band. This is the smoke room over here. Check out this chill spot. What is he pouring me? He says we're going to be trying something. Try this. What is it? Oh. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Ooh, babe. That's what we're talking about right here. That's it's pretty good. I like that. What a chill place. Every place I go to is another chill place. I can't even believe it. Just gets more chill as I go on. Oh. Alright, we're renting a scooter. Lucky 96. Without your passport, $4,000 deposit down. 4,000 pot. You gotta put a deposit down. I don't let my passport leave my side, so if you are out here and you do want to rent a scooter in Pi, just know you gotta put a deposit down. Alright guys, this is Pi's main strip. I just grabbed this scooter and yep, we're trying not to kill anybody. We're trying. This is the dog gang of Pi. All these wild dogs just roaming around. What's up, buddies? Huh? What are you guys doing, huh? Yeah, there's just dogs everywhere. Oh yeah, this lady just pulls up on her motorcycle. She's got the chicken, and now she's cooking it right up, frying it for me. We're frying it all. Look at this setup on this thing. Got the scooter, freaking all welded together. Oh, everything is just awesome. Get me the chicken. Chops that thing right up. Telling you.
Make garlic mayo #1 เลย so good.
Oh yeah. A taste test, okay, for the sauce. Yeah. We just eat this all day. That's what I'm talking about right there. 100%. That's where you should go. Come to Pi, get the real chicken. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. This is just me walking back to the hotel. Doggy!